Before this lecture, we had a variable which contained just one value. But now I want to talk about another type of variable that contain many values at the same time, which called array. In PHP, an array is a data structure that allows you to store multiple values in a single variable. Arrays are particularly useful for managing collections of related data. PHP provides three types of arrays: indexed array, associative array, and multidimensional array. In this lecture, I want to work on indexed array. Let me create here a variable by the name of $ARR. Actually, this is a variable, and then create an array. You can create array with the array method. In this array method, we can pass many values. Like for example, I want to write here apple and then put here comma, banana, and then put here a comma again. And the third value will be cherry, and the fourth value will be a number. It means you can pass any type of data, and then you can print this with var underscore dump and pass here $ARR. Save the changes and refresh the page. Look at this. We have array which has apple, banana, cherry, and 34. Array has two parts. One is the index part and one is the value part. These are the value of array, and we have another part by the name of index. Let me write here comment, and this will be 0, and this will be 1, and this will be 2, and finally this will be 3. It means we have a structure which has an address, and this address will start from 0, 1, 2, 3. If you want to get the apple value, you can get this by 0, and banana will be by 1, cherry will be by 2, and 34 will be by 3. It means every array has own index which start from 0. So I want to get the apple value. How we can get? We have here square brackets. Inside square brackets, we need to pass the 0. I mean index of this array. I want to get the apple value which stored by 0 address and pass here 0. Let me check. Save the changes and refresh the page. Yeah, we have just an apple. I want to give the assignment. Create this array and get the cherry value. Pause the video and complete this assignment. Done? Just pass 2 instead of 0. Why? Because we have 0 index, 1 index, and 2 index. I want to pass here 2 inside square brackets and then save. Refresh the page. We have cherry. But this syntax in PHP is duplicated with another syntax. If you are using before PHP 5 version, you can use this syntax, or in latest version we can create this with new syntax. Let me comment this. Just remove this array method and write here square brackets. This is the start area and this will be the end area. Now we have the same array. Save the changes and refresh the page. We have the same result. This is the indexed array in PHP.